the world's top leading one-stop digital asset management platform, S BLOCK Interstellar Wallet constructs the world's largest blockchain digital wallet in the financial sector through innovative technology. Since the launch of S BLOCK Interstellar Wallet, the token of the platform, SBO, create multiplied revenue continuously. Do you know how SBO increases its value? The key is the furnace mechanism. As the market is crazy for S BLOCK, the usage of S BLOCK becomes frequent among the people. For example, more people register themselves at S BLOCK, more transactions are made, more capital and users go into the market. SBO is destroyed as these services are being increasingly used. As a result, the total amount of SBO which can be circulated decreases gradually. Meanwhile, the price of SBO becomes higher. Today, we are going to talk about how the furnace mechanism in S BLOCK Interstellar Wallet can destroy SBO. It encompasses three main parts. Firstly, destroying the profit generated from the lending service. Secondly, destroying processing fees of trading. Thirdly, destroying S-Card processing fee and the revenue generated from SPOS and Interstellar ATM. In fact, we can understand the formula of furnace mechanism of S BLOCK through this principle. The price of SBO is equal to the funds in the market divided by the current tradable quantity of tokens. In short, having a greater amount of funds in the market and a smaller tradable quantity of tokens are both favorable conditions for increasing SBO's value. This is how the furnace mechanism can enhance the value of SBO. Interstellar lending service in S BLOCK Interstellar Wallet also contributes to the increase of SBO value. Interstellar lending service works like this. Users have to pledge their tokens to borrow other types of token for investment. Interstellar contracts offer automatic risk control and automatic contact performance to ensure the security of benefits for both parties. The revenue generated from interstellar remittance and interstellar lending is used to repurchase SBO. The furnace mechanism will destroy these repurchased SBO to raise the value of SBO. The furnace mechanism also destroys SBO used in processing fees. Due to the advancement of digital assets, many merchants across the world would like to accept cryptocurrency as payment. Through SPay offline all-rounded ecology application, the liquidity of SBO is increased in the market. Furthermore, the market will be more open to accept major cryptocurrencies in the future. Therefore, users can spend in different ecospheres through converting different digital assets. As the pioneer of cross-chain exchange, S BLOCK will gain massive revenue from the exchange. The scale of the exchange will escalate significantly in the future. However, the revenue generated from the exchange will be destroyed by the furnace mechanism to increase the value of SBO. The revenue generated from S-Card, SPOS, and Interstellar ATM in S BLOCK Interstellar Wallet will be destroyed by the furnace mechanism in order to increase the value of SBO. In addition, SBO, which is consumed in the purchase of SP, the activation of S-Card, and the use of services will be destroyed by the furnace mechanism in order to raise the value of SBO. In order to ensure the transparency of the destruction mechanism, the SBO that is manually repurchased will be deposited into a public address, and no SBO will ever be transferred out from that address. The total issuance of SBO is 680 million tokens. The furnace mechanism of S BLOCK Interstellar Wallet utilizes the revenue from three different circulating applications: Interstellar Lending Service, Processing Fee, and SPay to form a core mechanism. We must grab the opportunity to create a miracle in our lives. S BLOCK Interstellar Wallet opens the door of wealth and unleashes the business potential.